it's Jacob's turn. Jacob, teacher is teacher is recording this video.
Oh, come
Sige po,
on.
you have to dribble 5 times and then shoot
Get the
it.
ball there.
Okay? Go ahead and try.
Here. And shoot.
Your camera is moving.
Ala.
You know what? This all won't go. Mama.
Hey, no, Jacob, come on here. Come on, Jacob. Jacob. Dribble.
Dribble, it.
Dribble.
Dribble naman, Mini.
Finally.
Dribble again. Come on.
Okay, good job. Alright. Very good job, Jacob.
Very good
Jacob
na.
was able to shoot his ball. Alright. Oh, one more time.
Done na. Come on, one more time here. Hey. All done. Sit down na.
Sige po. Great job, Jacob. You did great.
I
Thank you
threw
so
the
much.
ball downstairs.
Oh.
I threw it downstairs.
Okay.
Alright. Now let's move on to our next one. Next one would be